Hi, this is Holly with Up and Out Adventures, and today we are making sit-upons. Sit-upons are perfect for any time you're going outside and you want to sit down, either on the ground or on a seat that might be dirty or wet or bumpy. Sit-upons handle it for you, keep you clean and nice, let you sit outside. So, here's what you need to make a sit-upon. Any kind of material, although I highly recommend plastic. This is a plastic tablecloth, one of the kinds with the white fuzzy on the inside. Absolutely the best and easiest to work with. Aside from that, you also need a pair of scissors, a measuring tape, a Sharpie marker, and some duct tape. Fold your material in half so it's 2 layers thick. Choose the size you want to make your sit-upon. I chose 2 feet. Cut out the square. Using small pieces of duct tape, maybe 6 to 8 inches long, tape the edges of the sit-upon so that half of the tape is on the sit-upon and half is on the table. If you are adding padding, slide a rubber mat or whatever padding you're using into the open side and add tape. Peel the whole sit-upon off the table and flip it over. Fold the tape onto the other side. Stick it in small sections all the way around. Using a Sharpie marker, decorate the sit-upon so you know it's yours. If you write your name and troop number, people can get it back to you if it gets lost. Sit-upons are wonderful tools for anyone that goes outside, but you can customize them for exactly what you need. For example, if you're going to be sitting somewhere dirty, any washable material will work with you. If you're going to sit on something that's wet, you definitely want waterproof material. If you're going to sit on something that's bumpy or rocky or uncomfortable, you're going to want some padding. However, if space is important, then you definitely want something that can be folded up easily and stowed into a day pack. Finally, if you're going to be somewhere that is super hot and sunshiny, then you're not going to want to use plastic because the sun makes the plastic really hot, and you're going to want to use some kind of cloth material for that. To get more ideas like these, or to get everything you need all at once to create exactly this kind of sit-upon, go to upandoutadventures.com and click on Kits. Have fun outside!